Nice build quality. The cables don't feel cheap, if that makes any sense. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a 3-pack of Cable Matters HDMI cables 15 feet in length. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. I've been using Cable Matters products for a long time now. I'm a big fan and decided I need a couple more HDMI cables here around the studio. They're just never long enough. I got a bunch of 6-foot ones, so I decided to upgrade and get some 15-foot options. Again, we got a 3-pack, 15-foot HDMI cables, 3 different colors. I love the different colors at the top. We got blue, yellowish orange, and we got a reddish pink as well for the colors. Really excited to have those, just for simplicity to know which cable is which, since I don't do cable organizing and my studio is a huge mess. So anyways, you can see nice retail packaging, very similar to other Cable Matters products. Now let's go ahead, let's open them up and check out the cables. So here are the package contents. No surprise here. What you see is what you get. We can just look up close at the colors of the cable if you want. I love those ends for it. Nice cap and protector for it in the packaging too. Nice build quality. The cables don't feel cheap, if that makes any sense. Some of the cables I've used in the past, just very cheap. And then we can see the last one right here. Again, we have HDMI on it. We also have the Cable Matters logo. Very nice 15-foot lengths for all the cables. They support 4K 60 hertz, 2K 144 hertz. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.